how to fix AliExpress payment unsuccessful option. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also getting such error where your payment is not being successful, then in that case what you might want to do is just head over to your AliExpress application and make sure you're logged into account. Now simply head over to the account section from the bottom right corner and select settings right next to the flag section. And the first thing what you might want to do is just head over to shipping address, and as you can see I haven't added any address, so just tap on this address and make sure your address is correct. And once you enter all of these details correctly, just click on save. And from over here, let's say when you want to buy this option over here, this product, and when you click on place order, always make sure that you have already set up your payment method, and make sure that you have selected the payment method correctly and you have enough balance in that particular option that you are choosing to make a payment. So in this example I'll show you about PayPal. So if you select PayPal, just make sure you click on this PayPal button over here and make sure you have selected the correct PayPal account if you have multiple one, and that it has enough balance or credit to buy the product. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.